In this video, we will show you how to replace your front engine mount on this Ford Fusion with a 2-liter engine. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Before we can start removing the mount, we have to safely support the engine, so let's make our way safely under the front of the vehicle. Now from under the front of the vehicle here, we're going to be looking for the center splash shield. This is held in place with several 10mm bolts. You'll find that you have 5 going across the front, in the center, 1 on each side, and then 4 making its way across the back side here. Let's start taking these down. We'll save the 2 centers, moving along to the front. Now we can get the 2 side ones. Remove the splash shield. With that out of the way, you'd want to add support directly underneath the engine oil pan. When doing so, do it along an edge, never along the center. And it's also a good idea to use a block of wood. We're watching for that engine oil pan. There we are. We just need to support this. We do not need to jack up the engine. Now we're going to remove the engine cover. For this, you can just take hold of it, pull it up and out of place. A quick inspection and we'll set that aside. Continue over towards the passenger side now. Just along the side of the engine mount, we're going to have to dislodge the coolant reservoir from the area. If you were to look at the cap and then straight rearward towards the strut tower, you're going to find an 8mm headed bolt just underneath this area. We're going to remove that so we can start dislodging this. See it right under here. To lift this up, we'll pay attention to the anchor point right along here. I'm going to draw this up and out of here. There we are. Now at this point, you can move this around quite a bit. We want to be extremely careful for the coolant lines, but let's pay attention down in this area. Now we can start dislodging the engine mount from the body of the vehicle. Looking down in this area, you're going to find that you have 1 21mm headed mounting nut, and you'll also have 2 15mm headed mounting bolts. There's one on the front of the bracket here, and then the other one's located just along the back side of the engine mount. Let's start with the 21mm headed mounting nut. A quick inspection of our hardware as we remove it, replace as necessary. Let's move along to the 15mm hardware. I'll go with the rearward mounting bolt next. Next mounting bolt along the front. Now we can move to the upper mounting hardware along the engine. In this area, you're going to find that you have 3 18mm mounting nuts to remove. Go ahead and take hold of the engine mount and lift it up and out of place. You may have to either raise or lower the engine as necessary. There it is, friend. Let's clean the mounting points here. Use a wire brush if necessary. Make our way down to the body. Okay, it's time for installation of our brand new front engine mount. Let's start bringing this into position. We're going to align it with the upper engine area here, just sliding it onto those 3 studs. Continuing from here, you may have to shift the engine, as I mentioned before, up or down, because if it's binding here, it might be binding along the bottom on that lower stud. Now that we have that set down on there, we want to confirm that we're actually sitting level. If you have the engine jacked up too high and you try to tighten any of the hardware, you could potentially cause some damage, so I'm just going to lower this a little bit. Now we're paying attention to the lower hardware. Start in each of your 2 15mm headed mounting bolts. You can shift this around as necessary. As for the hardware, it's a good idea to use a tiny bit of blue thread locker if possible. We'll shift this around as I mentioned, aligning the mounting points. As for all of the hardware, we're only going to start it on. Once everything's started on, we can snug it up. Our blue thread locker on there. 21mm mounting nut next. Now let's make our way to the top of the engine mount for the 3 mounting nuts. Start on all 3 of those 18mm nuts, snug them up. Let's continue down to the lower hardware. For the lower hardware, I'm going with the 15mm bolts first. And now the 21mm mounting nut. The torque for all pieces of hardware is 66 foot-pounds. Start down here at the nut. Moving along to our 15mm bolts. Now to the top for the 18mm mounting nuts. Now we can move along to reinstalling the coolant reservoir in this area. The 2 areas that we're paying attention to is the mounting bracket and then also the port where the mounting bolt's going to go. Let's get this aligned with the bracket right there. We're going to slide it right down on there. Start on the mounting bolts under this area. Double check, make sure that's completely secured. We can reinstall the engine cover. For this, you want to try to align the oil cap and the engine oil dipstick with their corresponding ports. Press this down into position. Listen for a click from all 4 corners, a light tug. Continue on to removing the support from under your engine and we'll reinstall the shield. Back under the vehicle, it's time to reinstall our shield. We'll get this in position and start with our 2 center mounting bolts. We have 1 on each side. Just start them in, holding this in place for us. Now let's make our way to the front mounting bolts. Make our way to the rearward mounting bolts. Let's get the corner mounting bolts in along the back side. Start those in. Make our way over. They're all started in, let's snug them up. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of our front engine mount. The next thing you need to do is hop in the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle, let it run, and make sure you don't hear any funny vibrating noises coming from the engine compartment. Other than that, you can go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.